Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. So I had a green day, but unfortunately, I took a trade the last 15 minutes, and my timing was off by like a minute. Got the move after I got out after using the last of my buying power. So took shaved off almost half my profits or something. Yeah, not good. But so ending the day up 74 minus 19 to $55. After commissions. First trades on Tesla. So normally I don't play Tesla to the downside, off the open at least. And so I play this opening range break here, and you see we had this bullish candle at first. At first it was bullish, and then we had this giant topping tail. Whatever this pattern is called, something like a falling star or whatever it's called, Death Star or something. Looks like, could be wrong, but then we have the second minute candles of doji, and then I'm gonna click play right here, and it's gonna be 2 seconds until I get in the trade. The reason is the weakness. We had 330,000 shares, and a lot of them were being baited. So get to it. I enter 1.650 put. Throw an order on the ass 640. Don't get filled. I don't think I get filled here. Close that. I'm gonna throw another order out on the ass. 630. That's $10. 10 cents cheaper. Close that one out. Like, let me. I kept telling myself, hey, instead of taking profits really quick, let this thing work a little bit. So it gets down to 34. I throw an order out on the ask. I get filled at 675. So $85 on that trade. Can't complain. Yeah, I just needed like this little base hit. After having so many days where I'm down like $60 on the day, or down 1% or whatever. So next trade is on Tesla. So we had this sort of pennant formation, and we're at the 40, or we're 11 minutes into the day, so the market open. So let's see. Playing the break of this pivot here, but I think I have a late entry on this one. Yeah, so I get a 665 call. Super late entry. I don't understand what I was thinking. It's like I really don't like the high day or low a day trades. Sometimes I impulsively get in. This is what happens. And by the way, Tesla today was just super stressful. So I got out 7:31. No, I'm in. Sorry, correction. That was a order to fill. Didn't get filled. um. So Tesla was super wicky today, and just didn't have follow through momentum for a lot of the day. So I was a little bit stubborn with it, but thankfully it worked out somewhat. Pretty low volume, but doesn't mean it can't pick up here, like especially at levels like like near high day, and as patterns are forming and stuff. That's when volume generally picks up. So not looking good. We get that little dip, it's bought up. Let's see if it can hold. Tesla a month ago would just ease right up, pop to a new high day, but not the same Tesla. clearly. Uh, Hard to get a move to the upside in this game for a minute. This is still possibly going to work out. We don't have a candle or a candle. Buyers are like they're stepping in. Now, the premiums, we're at 675 on the bid, and I'm in at 731. So $50 down right there. I would have just sold there, but on the bid. Now we're getting at 7, topping around the $7 area. It's a little flag going, but it's not like a high type flag. It's just like a little stubby flag on low volume day. No buyers are really stepping in. Probably because we had the Fed speak today, and you know, smart money. They're being smart. They're not really putting it, to use to work. Should I? Oh crap! What did I just do? I don't even know. Okay, so 44.53. Okay, sorry about that. Let's stop out. I just impulsively clicked the mouse button like I impulsively click buy buttons. So yeah, I got out 655. So I lost $76 on that one. So yeah, I'm up $9 on the day, minus $4, $5 on the day basically. So I was like, crap, whatever. It's not the end of the world. I'll find something better. So what do? Go to Tesla again. Just got out the last candle. I see that I probably just got shook out. Just candle under candle, and then dip got bought up a little bit, and then now we're going higher. So this little flag here, this little short stubby flag, might work out. So it happens. One 665 call again at 7:15. I thought, oh man, is it gonna do what it did again the last time? So I was thinking right there when it. Remember, like, crap. This is how like red days, decent sized red days happening. So I'm already down 45 unrealized, or now 30, but excuse me, it's how it happens. They'll drop. I mean, I'm sure watching this channel, you're probably into same kind of trades. Okay, now this is what I like to see. Okay, we open up right here. Now it's breaking. Okay, this is what I want to see. Now, can the volume come in? Questions. I'm up a little bit on the position. Let's see. I want to be patient with this. I don't want to. No, I don't want to just take a small loss or small win. I want to let the chart play out. But see, it was tough to withstand all this price action because, as you can see, it's like real wicky and dumpy, and maybe because of the low volume or whatever, or just the manipulation from the market makers or the smart money in the trade. I'm not sure, but okay. So now that's what I like to see. Volume stepping up, but it's not like it would have been nice to see 100,000 shares there, at least 80, 90. We got like almost 70. We're above 70, or no, we're yeah, average is 72 over the last 10 periods. So Yeah, I think we got this. I'm thinking right here. I think we got have room for another pop, and that's what I want to sell. Maybe I'm thinking. I don't want to push it past 665 area unless it shows me signs where it's wanting to rip really hard. But come on, Tesla, you can do it. So a lot of times right here, people, okay, I'm getting out because that's a doji or topish candle. But I've learned that sometimes it's good to sit through this and see it's starting to break out. So through an order on the ask, 815, I get filled. I made a point on that, or $100, and feeling a little bit better about my day. I'm up 109 minus $6, so up $103, which is that's almost 2%. That's about 2 point something percent. My small account. So um yeah, I just took a screenshot there to send to the Discord chat room I'm part of, and show them the basically the green to almost red to green I went through. So next trade's Nvidia. Nvidia's up top here, and this trade. So the thing is, this is where I screwed up here. As you can see, Amazon just below already broke down. Uh, Tesla's already broke down. And although Tesla does its own thing, a lot of times it's not in tune with the market. It does its own thing a lot of times. But I decided to get an Nvidia 800 puts, or 75 puts, or a put, when it's like a laggard right now. So let's see. I bought one, 669, my cost. Immediately that just feels crappy. That's when I should have just cut it. I cut it right there and sold it for 608. So $51 on that one. So I'm like, crap. Now I'm up $48 minus commissions. I'm up $40 on the day. Like, wow, that's my buying power is getting eaten up, and I'm really nowhere. So next trade, Boeing. Boeing's up top here, and we have this. I have this horizontal that I made, and this is the ABC pattern, aka a W, and I want to play the break of that horizontal. I bought two contracts, $1.70 each. Okay, so sorry about that. So correction, Boeing. My bad. So we're still in the trade. I threw an order out for two on the ask, 184. Keep clicking buttons. Love to click buttons. I think I'm gonna cancel this order right now. Now, 184 was the price I was trying to sell on that. See if I can beat that. Or is Theta gonna kill him? Since we're close to Friday, is Theta gonna eat up? Make it harder to get $1.84 out of these. It's a short amount of time. Let's see. Oh, getting ready to get a pop. It looks like I'm gonna get a pop, and I just want to sell them on the ask. Okay, so I closed them out at 80. So no, I didn't make $8. I lost $8 basically. selling them right there. But it looks like I sold them as it spiked, and then what are we getting now? We're getting potentially a pullback. Doesn't matter though. I got another trade. Is it gonna work? Is it not? I'm not sure. We're near high of day at the time, so I felt it was wise to just take my little smoker change. So it's neither here nor there. So next trade, Tesla. Back down below, Tesla, we have this falling wedge, which I've been getting a lot of these lately, and like I said yesterday, they're kind of hit or miss for me. So right now I'm up $68 minus 10, $58. So get in one 655 call. Hey Tesla, can you do it? Come on now. You're gonna form an end pattern. That's what I want to know. That's where you get caught sometimes. Better I can be at recognizing them, sticking to my stops, the better off I'll be. So going around on the ass 770. They just didn't want to catch up. I get filled. Awesome. So that was cool. Made a little bit of 24 bucks. So $39, correction. So now I'm up $107 minus 12. Oh, 95 bucks. So next trade Tesla. This is the this is the final trade. So I was up 118 minus I was up 101. Oh, because the reason why is because I had a buy trade in between. I just didn't show it, but because the reason why is I got in two of them for a buck each, and then I didn't mean to sell both of these right here at 103 and 104. I meant to take off one at 104, and then um and then just to limit risk because I was like, you know what, I'm up over 2%. I don't want to. I kind of chased this entry on SPY, and then I just wanted to get off one because I still thought it was going to go down, but I thought I'd have to sit through a pullback and maybe I'd add one in the pullback. So I take off a little bit of risk, and then it didn't fill, so I thought I canceled one, and then apparently I hit the wrong key, and then I closed out the other one, hit the bid, and I closed out both. I saw both of them were closed. So then now I have Tesla here. So just 15 minutes till the bell rings, and it's ABC pattern. At 5:39 to 6:50 call. Immediately, I don't know. I just had this feeling like might be a little fakey right now. So, 'cause as you can see, that green candle I got in, it 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 went higher than that horizontal, the ABC pattern. But this candle is not really cooperating. So this candle is going to determine, is this trade going to work right now? What I should have done, because now I'm down 40 bucks on the trade basically. The By the way, when that pulled back, should have just got out just to be safe, and then played that horizontal break. Clearly that was a false breakout so far. That's where I screwed up on that one. I don't regret taking. I kind of regret taking a trade. Not necessarily. I can't say I regret taking the trade. Um, but I regret how I handled it. Because as you'll see in a second here, this trade ends up working out just a minute later. So it's open below. It's kind of a little gap down, slight gap down. That's not a good sign, usually for upside. Although, it can work out, but a lot of times get continuation down. So it's kind of when I shouldn't. I mean, I kind of knew then. That's when I should have got that out. And I'm about to get out right now. So I get out. Look what happens. So we get fast forward it. Look what happened. Crazy, almost 5 points. So that's it. Um, Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, each and every one of you, more than you know. I hope you find benefit or value in this content, and I hope you have a great day. And hopefully, we get some good action tomorrow. Contracts are cheap. I like that. If we have good setups, I just need to remember to size up because, um, I'd like to nail one or two trades and then be done. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Goodbye. Goodbye.